Hello, dear students, to this lecture. Today we are going to talk about some other part of the paragraph. In our previous lectures, we talk about the structure of the paragraph, and we said that any paragraph should include mainly the topic sentence and body sentences and also concluding sentence. We talked about the topic sentence and we said that it is the most important sentence of the paragraph. And when we define a paragraph, we said that a paragraph is a group of sentences that develop one main idea. And we said that the main idea is found in the topic sentence. Any topic sentence, as we said, include a topic and also controlling idea or even main idea. And the rest sentences of the paragraph will talk about this main idea or this controlling idea. Okay. In the second part of the paragraph, we said there is the body sentences, which include the supporting sentences, okay, or supporting and detailed sentences. We said that any body sentences of the paragraph will explain the main idea of the topic sentence. So in case the reader put some question in his mind, okay, about the main idea here, the answers should be given by the writer in the body sentences, in the supporting and detailed sentences. We said that the supporting sentences include uh, some ideas. We said that it should include between 3 to 5 uh, supporting ideas, and these ideas are presented in form of what? In form of complete sentences. So 3 supporting ideas should be written in 3 complete sentences with details, okay? 5 supporting ideas should be written in uh, 5 complete sentences with detailed sentences. In our lecture today, inshallah, as we said, we will talk about the concluding sentence. And as you see, the concluding sentence is the final sentence of the paragraph. So let's start our new lesson. Concluding sentence. Concluding sentence. In formal paragraphs, you will sometimes see a sentence at the end of the paragraph, which summarizes the information that has been presented. So the final sentences of paragraphs are sometimes known as concluding sentence. So this is the concluding sentence. So the concluding sentence is the final sentence of the paragraph, of that sentence that found at the end of paragraphs. You can think of a concluding sentence as a sort of topic sentence in reverse. So that means the concluding sentence, it can include the same idea that found in the topic sentence, okay? So we can say a concluding sentence is a sort of topic sentence in reverse. You can understand concluding sentences with this example. Consider a hamburger that you can buy at a fast food restaurant. So he's talking about a sandwich, okay, hamburger sandwich. Okay. A hamburger has a top bun, okay, a top bun, okay? Something like bread, okay, okay, a kind of bread, okay, and meat, cheese, lettuce, and other elements in the middle of the hamburger, and a bottom bun. So we have two pieces of bread, okay, above or on the top or at the top, okay, and at the bottom, okay. So we'll find two pieces of bread, okay, which include what? The other items as meat, cheese, lettuce, and other elements. Note how the top bun and the bottom bun are very similar. So they are very similar. So let's see. Yes. So this is the top bun and this is the bottom bun. Okay. So we have two pieces. The top one can describe it as the topic sentence in the paragraph. And the bottom one similar to the concluding sentence of the paragraph. And here we can see the meat or okay, and also the cheese and lettuce and also the egg here or something like that. Okay, all of these things are used as supporting sentences. Okay, so we can say the topic sentence and concluding sentence include what? The supporting sentences as the two buns are including the hamburger sandwich. The top one in a way is like a topic sentence as we said, and the bottom bun is like the concluding sentence. And both buns hold the meat, onions, and so on. So here they are similar to supporting sentences as you said. And similarly, the topic sentence and concluding sentence hold the supporting sentences in the paragraph. Let's see how a concluding sentence in bold font might look in our sample paragraph about Wheaton. So here Wheaton is the name of a town, okay, or village, okay, and here we can replace it with the name of our city here, for example. Instead of it's written here as my hometown Wheaton, we can say my hometown Binjawad is famous for several amazing natural features. First, it is noted for the Mediterranean Sea, okay, for example, okay, which is very wide and beautiful. Okay, we can build some similar sentence, okay, or some similar paragraph in the same form. So now again, let's see how concluding sentence in bold font might look in our sample paragraph about Wheaton. My hometown is famous for several amazing natural features. First, it is noted for the Wheaton River, which is very wide and beautiful. On either side of this river, which is 175 feet wide, are many willow trees which have long branches that can move gracefully in the wind. In autumn, the leaves of these trees fall and cover the river banks like golden snow. Also, on the other side of the town is Wheaton Hill, which is unusual because it is very steep. Even though it is steep, climbing this hill is not dangerous because there are some firm rocks along the sides that can be used as stairs. There are no trees around this hill, so it stands clearly against the sky and can be seen from many miles away. The third amazing feature is the big old tree. This tree stands 200 feet tall and is probably about 600 years old. This tree stands 200 feet tall and is probably about 600 years old. These three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown a famous place. Okay, so here we think of what? The forms, okay, which written in bold font, okay, and red bold font. Okay, my hometown is famous for several amazing natural features. Is a what? Is the topic sentence. And here also we have the other bold one, okay, which is written in red color. Okay, these three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown a famous place. Is known as what? Concluding sentence, or as a concluding sentence. Okay, so here, as you see, this is the first, this is the what? The top one, okay, of the paragraph, and this is the bottom. So this is the first sentence of the paragraph, and this one is the final sentence of the paragraph. Okay, so we are today talking about this last sentence, or this final sentence, which known as what? As concluding sentence. The sentence which used at the end of the paragraph. Here, as we know, okay, the topic sentence contents or meaning, okay, is similar to what is included in the concluding sentence. Notice how the concluding sentence, these three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown a famous place, summarizes the information in the paragraph. So let's see it again. Here, we talk about three supporting ideas, okay, after we mentioned the main idea here. My hometown is famous for several amazing natural features. What are these features? This is a question that will come to the mind of the reader. We said that what are these several amazing natural features that make his hometown famous? We said the answer, or the answers, are included in three yes, supporting ideas. The first one, the Wetu River, the first answer. The second one is the what? The the Wetton Hill. Okay. The second amazing feature is the Wetton Hill. The second amazing feature is the Wetton Hill, and the third one is the big old tree. The big old tree. So now we have three what? Supporting ideas. Then the writer mentioned in his final answer, he mentioned the three landmarks, and he's talking about the river and the hill and also the big old tree. Okay, he mentioned them here. So he summarizes the all the paragraph in this sentence. Okay, he makes summary. Okay. These 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 three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown a famous place. Okay, so this is the first note, that the concluding sentence summarizes the information in the paragraph. Also notice how the concluding sentence is similar to, but not exactly the same as the topic sentence. So here we said we have the same contents, okay, the same meaning. My hometown is famous for several amazing natural features. And here, these three landmarks are truly amazing. So we have repetition of for the word and making my hometown famous. So we have famous here and famous here. Okay, famous in the topic sentence and famous in the final sentence. Okay, and amazing also used in the first sentence, in the topic sentence, and also in the final sentence, which is what? concluding sentence, but it summarizes the paragraph by mentioning the three landmarks, the three answers that mentioned here, okay, are truly amazing and making my hometown a famous place. So similarly, we can make some sentences or some concluding sentence for some different paragraph in the same way, okay. There should be some connection between the topic sentence and the final sentence or concluding sentence of the paragraph, okay. And also there should be some connection between the supporting ideas that mentioned in the supporting sentences of the paragraph and the final sentence or the concluding sentence of the paragraph. The concluding sentence and topic sentence includes the same meaning, okay, and content, but in different words or different order. So here he used different order as we said, okay, in this example, okay, there is some different order. Okay, my hometown is famous. Here, make my hometown famous. So you use as what? As at the final position, okay, instead of the first position, this famous. Okay, for several amazing natural features, here he used them in the beginning, okay, at the first part of the concluding sentence. These three landmarks are truly amazing and make my hometown famous, make my hometown a famous place. Okay. So that's all about our lecture for today. Uh, Inshallah, next lecture we are going to talk about some new lesson, inshallah. Finally, I'll say goodbye.